Biggest spike in the number of deaths in India in 5 days. 445 people died of COVID-19 in last 24 hours. 4,821 fresh COVID-19 cases registered in just one day. Confirmed cases in India now stand at 4,25,282. Active cases are at 1,74,387, while 2,37,195 have recovered and have been discharged. Karnataka reported 453 cases, taking the total to 9,150 cases. The state has 3,391 active cases. Total COVID-19 related deaths have increased to 137, with 5 new deaths being reported. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa calls for an urgent meeting with officials over COVID-19 situation today. The CM will discuss about steps to be taken to curb the spread of COVID-19 in Bengaluru. The city reported 196 new cases on Sunday. Total cases stands at 1,272 with 796 active cases and 411 discharges. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh talks critical of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, says the Prime Minister must always be mindful of the implications of his words when it comes to nation's security. Prime Minister had earlier stated that no one entered our territory, but a statement was issued by Government of India later saying the Prime Minister's statement was misinterpreted. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh embarks on 3-day Russia visit. Raksha Mantri will attend the Victory Day parade on June 24th. Rajnath Singh will also be holding a meeting with Russia's Defence Minister. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh tweets before embarking on a 3-day visit to Russia. The Defence Minister said that, and I quote, "The visit to Russia will give me an opportunity to hold talks on ways to further deepen the India-Russia defence and strategic partnership." Fresh encounter breaks out between security forces and terrorists in Vernag area of Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir. Cordon and search operation underway in the area. 3 to 4 terrorists believed to be trapped. Supreme Court will today hear batch of petitions seeking changes of its earlier orders staying the annual and much anticipated Jagannath Rath Yatra. Centre in its plea regarding the matter mentioned that Rath Yatra can be held without public participation. India's benchmark stock index Sensex 30 is trading mildly in the green. Investors continue to be worried over the rising incidence of COVID-19 pandemic in the country, coupled with the ongoing India-China face-off. And with equity markets not displaying bullishness, investors are looking at alternates and precious metals are the preferred choice. Both gold and silver futures are trading firmly in the green, indicating the flight to safety.